viewers, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make a paper fidget spinner. For this, we need 2 sheets of square paper, glue, a toothpick and scissors. So let's start. First, fold the paper in half like this and crease it. Then fold it in half again and crease it. And fold it in half like this once more and crease that also. Like this. Then bring this edge to meet with the center crease.
Repeat the same step on this side as well, but the fold should be in the opposite direction.
Repeat the first 3 steps on this paper.
Now follow the next 2 steps, but the fold should be in the opposite direction like this.
The next step is to flip it over and fold it like this.
Repeat the same steps on this paper.
The next step is to place the paper like this and tuck this triangle in this pocket right here. Now tuck this triangle in this pocket. Flip it over and do these same steps that we have done on this side, Now take something sharp and pointy like a needle and poke a small hole in the center through which the toothpick can pass. Put the toothpick in the hole like this and leave a little bit on both sides and cut off the extra.
You can add beads on both sides of the fidget spinner, but this is optional.
Now your fidget spinner is ready. Let the glue dry up, then we'll test it. You can draw designs on one side of the fidget spinner so you can have a 2-in-1 fidget spinner, like I've drawn here.